Everyone, welcome back to the TechNeuron Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the top 5 essential Cydia tweaks for iOS 8. Let's get right to it. Basically what Activator allows you to do is use gesture-based controls to do almost anything on your iOS device. So for example, you can launch an app with a certain gesture, or you can skip a song with a certain gesture, and it really unlocks the potential of your iOS device. For example, if I open Activator and I click anywhere, which means that anywhere on the device that the following gesture will work, I can double press the home button. Let me just get rid of that, and it will do one of these many actions. And depending on certain Cydia tweaks that you download, it will work with Activator, and that's pretty awesome. So let me just go to, let's find an easy one, invoke shutter. So when I double press the home button anywhere on the device, I will be able to take a picture. So let's test that out. So I'm gonna go to the home screen, and I'm gonna double press the home button, and you can see that it opens up the camera. So I'm just gonna take a picture really quickly. And there you go. Pretty awesome, and definitely a must-get for those on iOS 8. Number 4 is going to be Springtomize 3, and it's probably the best Cydia tweak, one of the best Cydia tweaks for iOS 8, and it basically allows you to customize every aspect of iOS 8. And for example, you can increase the number of apps, you can do cool dock animations, you can change how many apps you want in a row. It's just really amazing, and I'll show you how it works. So if you open up Springtomize, the app, you can enable or disable it. And let me just focus the camera. Okay, so if you go into animations, you can see the speed. You can customize the speed of how the apps open. So for example, if I want to make the speed of the apps opening really quickly, make them really quick to open, you just hit that and then respring to apply the customization. So just give it a second. Okay, let me just unlock. So let's say I open Passbook, and you can see how quickly it opens as opposed to the custom speed. Let's see, open notes, it's really fast. And there's some other cool stuff. Probably anything that you would ever need to customize your iOS device. There's the app slider, you can hide all the icons, and in the control center you can add tweaks, you can add different colors. And for the dock, you can hide the dock, and you can also hide the dock background, and you can also resize the icons, and just everything you would possibly need to customize your iOS 8 device. And I'd say it's definitely up there with the top 5 essential Cydia tweaks for iOS 8. Number 3 on my list is called Hey Siri, Tell Me a Story.
Okay.
So you get the point. This tweak is called Untethered Hey Siri, and basically what it allows you to do is just call up Siri by saying, Hey Siri. It might not work all the time, but you have to be very clear. But that's basically what it does, and it's really awesome, and definitely a must-get for iOS 8. So all you have to do is go into General, go into your settings, hit General, and then hit Siri, and then you can enable or disable it. And you can also choose the language of Siri, the voice gender of Siri, the voice feedback, and you can add in some of your info as well. And I have to say this is a great app, and it's very reminiscent of Google Now for Android devices. And if you're an Android user who wants to switch to iOS devices because of this, definitely check out Untethered Hey Siri on the App Store. So let's get to number 2. Number 2 on my list is called Barrel, and it's a classic. And basically, for any of those who don't know what Barrel is, it allows you to customize the animations of your home screen. So you can add different customizations for the sliding effect. So for example, if I go into Barrel and I click mode, you can change the icon scroll effects. So I'm going to choose icon scatter, and you don't have to respring or anything like that, and you can see that it changes like that. It's pretty awesome, and definitely a must get and a must see. So I'll show you a few others. How about Pac-Man? That's pretty awesome, and it works perfectly fine on iOS8. There's no glitches or any bugs or anything, and go ahead and check it out on Cydia. So number 1 on my top 5 list for the best and most essential Cydia tweaks and apps for iOS 8 is by default 2. And I have to say this is one of the most impressive Cydia tweaks that I've seen. And if you have good eyesight, you might notice that I do have a different font for my iOS device. And this is the Laconic font, which I downloaded from by default 2. And let me just give you an overview of how the Cydia tweak works. So if you open it up, you can see these tabs right here. You just want to click search, or sorry, browse, and it takes you to this website, and you can choose categories. So I'm going to choose categories, and you get some more categories for the different types of fonts. So how about modern fonts? Oh wait, hold on, let's try, yeah, modern fonts. And how about space age? So you can see that there. And I'll do Santa Monica font. Why not this? I'm not going to put it on my device, but this is what it looks like. And if you just hit this blue tab right here, it links you to the download in Cydia where you can get the font. And so I'm not going to install it because it takes a while, but I'll show you what happens when you want to apply it to your device. So you want to do, once you download it from Cydia, the font, you can choose the font from this tab, and then it resprings your device and you have this awesome new font. So I have to say this is probably one of my favorite Cydia tweaks out there. It allows you to change the font of your device if you haven't noticed already. But this has been my top 5 most essential Cydia tweaks for iOS 8. And I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye.